Unit 11 Ancient China from World Watch Social Studies for Primary Schools Book 3. Ancient China is a term that refers to the historical period of Chinese civilization that spans thousands of years, from the earliest recorded evidence of Chinese culture to the end of imperial rule in 1912. It is a period of immense cultural, technological, and political development. Here are some key aspects and periods of ancient China. Early history. The beginnings of Chinese civilization can be traced back to the Xia and Shang dynasties, around 1600 to 1046 BCE. The Shang dynasty, in particular, is known for its use of oracle bones and early Chinese writing. Zhou dynasty, 1046 to 256 BCE. The Zhou dynasty saw the development of the mandate of heaven, a concept that justified the rule of the emperor. This period also saw the flourishing of Chinese philosophy, with Confucianism, Taoism, and legalism emerging. Qin dynasty, 221–206 BCE, the first imperial dynasty, under Qin Shi Huang, who is famous for constructing the Great Wall and the Terracotta Army. It was a short-lived but significant period. Han dynasty, 206 BCE to 20 CE. The Han dynasty is often considered one of the most influential periods in Chinese history. It saw the development of the civil service system, the Silk Road trade routes, and advancements in science and technology. The Three Kingdoms period, 220 to 280 CE. This period was marked by the division of China into three rival kingdoms, as depicted in the classic novel, Romance of the Three Kingdoms. The Sui and Tang dynasties, 581 to 907 CE. These dynasties saw the reunification of China and the flourishing of culture, including the famous Tang dynasty poetry and the spread of Buddhism. The Song dynasty, 960–1279 CE. This period is known for technological advancements, such as the invention of gunpowder and printing, and the development of Neo-Confucianism. The Yuan dynasty, 1271–1368 CE. Under the Mongol rule, China was ruled by Kublai Khan, and this period saw the integration of Chinese and Mongol cultures. The Ming dynasty, 1368–1644 CE. The Ming dynasty is known for its naval expeditions led by Zheng He and the construction of the Forbidden City in Beijing. The Qing dynasty, 1644–1912 CE. The last imperial dynasty, established by the Manchus. It was marked by cultural conservatism, the Opium Wars, and ultimately the end of the imperial system in China. Inventions and achievements. Ancient China gave the world many innovations, including papermaking, printing, compasses, gunpowder, and the abacus. These inventions had a profound impact on the development of human civilization. Great Wall of China. Construction of the Great Wall began in various dynasties and continued for centuries to protect China from invasions. Silk Road. The Silk Road was a network of trade routes that connected China with the Middle East and Europe, facilitating the exchange of goods, culture, and ideas. Chinese philosophy and religion. Chinese philosophy, including Confucianism, Taoism, and legalism, played a significant role in shaping Chinese culture. Buddhism was also introduced and became a major religion in China. Match. Then write 4 sentences in your notebook. 1. Qin Shi Huang answer is wanted to live forever. 2. The people of ancient China answer is built walls to keep their land and homes safe. 3. The first emperor of China was answer is Qin Shi Huang. 4. The wall that Qin Shi Huang built became answer is the Great Wall of China. Copy the sentences. Write true or false. Correct the false sentences. 1. Terracotta is a type of metal. False. Answer. It is reddish-brown hard-baked clay. 2. The terracotta soldiers are all different. True. 3. The statues are bigger than real people. False. Answer. The statues were the size of real people and horses. 4. The terracotta army was made in 1974. True. Select the correct words to make each sentence true and then write the sentences in your notebook. 1. Silk comes from a tree. 2. The ancient Chinese learned to make silk 5,000 years ago. 3. They took it to other parts of the world along the Silk Road. Write the answers in your notebook. A. Copy the puzzle. Read the clues and fill in the answers. Write one letter in each square. If you get the answers right, the colored column will spell the word for something a silkworm makes. 1. The longest wall in the world is the Great Wall of China. 2. The silk traders used this road. Silk Road. 3. The model army was made from this clay. Terracotta. 4. Qin Shi Huang was the first emperor of China. 5. The newer parts of the Great Wall of China were built from this stone. 6. A word that means very old. Ancient.
Thanks for watching and listening. If you like my videos, please like and share it, and do not forget to subscribe my channel.